Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In these videos, I will explain explicit weight in Selenium with the example. We also seen how to use visual element locator using a real website. What is the explicit weight? Explicit weight tells Selenium to wait for a specific condition for a specific element. Instead of waiting for the whole page, Selenium waits only until the requirements element is ready. Simple. Give me. I teach you for the simple example. Suppose when you order food, you don't wait the whole day. You wait only until your food arrives. And in the same way, Selenium wait only until the elements is ready. Suppose uh, like weights explicit weight and explicit weight when do you use I use if visual if user या password visible on the screen या dashboard, then it is use a visual element located. uh, I explain with the example. Suppose suppose uh, this web application orange HRM, this web application, this the username, password, login, this is the screen. See, I see screen, this is called a visual. This element visual, username, password, this called username, password visible in the screen and dashboard. This is called a visual element. What is the DOM page? DOM page document object model. First of all, username, right click and inspect. This is the user DOM page. DOM page means create by web application. DOM page. This is HTML in the DOM page. This is username DOM page input. This card is DOM in this HTML exist in this DOM page. Username, password. This card here DOM page. This password, this is a HTML body in exist in DOM page. Okay, so what is the explicit weight and how to use explicit weight? Explicit weight when use specific element when load page and visibility. The first one method are explicit weight visual by the element located. Though, so I write the code and explain the explicit weight. So first of all, I create one class. Class one, right click, then class name. I class name explicit weight. Explicit weight example. Okay, this is a click checkbox because I need a main method. So first of all, I create object Chrome driver for new Chrome driver wave driver I import Chrome driver. import this, import first of all import varg dot salary. Okay, first of all I use the get driver, launch the browser. First of all I launch browser, launch browser. Okay, driver dot get this is URL, select and copy, then I paste get URL. Okay, then I use in explicit weight. First of all new web driver weight then driver comma duration dot of second, give 10-second time, and create object, import first of all import, then I wait. Okay, first of all I input the username, wait dot okay dot until expected condition dot visible page, sorry, visible of element locator. Okay, then I put the xpath, I give the xpath in username this, right click inspect, this is the locator username, copy, then I put is okay, one minute. Okay, by dot name, then I variable wave element username equal import and explicit condition visible of element by name dot send key admin. Then this is a explicit weight and visibility rule. When the element visible, then I put admin. This is variable explicit weight, and here the selenium weight until the username field and visible username field, then visible, and then and the it is visible entire the text admin. Okay, this is called explicit weight. And when use, so I visible I method called visible of element. This is called visible element in the explicit weight. So this video finally. Thank you.